In this video, we're diving into how to track your most important Amazon KPIs using Helium 10 Profits Dashboard, so you actually know what's working, what's not, and where your money's going. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunziker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you make smarter e-commerce decisions and scale your store with confidence. So if you've ever stared at your Amazon seller data, wondering if your business is actually profitable, or why your revenue is up but your bank account isn't, this video's for you. Let's get into it. Why tracking KPIs actually matters. Now let's be real for a second. Selling on Amazon is a lot. It can feel like juggling 10 things at once. And that's before you even think about tracking your numbers. But here's the deal. If you don't track your key metrics, you're flying blind. You might be making sales, but are you making money? A product might be trending, but is it profitable? You could be pouring cash into ads and not realizing how much it's eating into your margins. That's why tracking KPIs, or key performance indicators, is so important. These are the numbers that actually tell you what's going on in your business. They help you make better decisions, avoid expensive mistakes, and focus on what really matters. And Helium 10's Profit Dashboard makes this easy. It brings together all the stuff that usually lives in a million different spreadsheets and dashboards and shows it to you in one clean visual space. What is Helium 10 Profits Dashboard? All right, let's talk about what this tool actually is. So the Profits Dashboard is part of the Helium 10 toolkit, and it connects directly to your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you sync it, it automatically pulls in your sales data, ad spend, fees, refunds, and more. But it doesn't just throw numbers at you. It organizes them in a way that makes sense and, more importantly, helps you understand what they mean. So instead of just seeing that you made $10,000 in sales, you see how much of it that you actually keep. It's like getting a full financial report on your business every single day without doing any math. Now, if the Profits Dashboard sounds like something that could really help you get a handle on your Amazon business, then you should definitely check it out. We've got a link for you down in the description where you'll go ahead and get a discount for Helium 10. It's a great way to follow along on what we covered today and see if Helium 10 is the right fit for you. Now, if you click the link down in the description, it'll bring you to this page right here where you've got one of two different coupons to choose from. You can go ahead and select this coupon right here to get 20% off your first 6 months. Just use code ECOMMastery20 at checkout. Or if you want to get 10% off every month for life, use code ECOMMastery10 at checkout. Again, link will be down in the description, and choose your coupon code of choice. Getting started with Helium 10 Profits. So setup is super simple. You just log into your Helium 10 account and click on the Profits tab, and then just connect it to your Amazon seller account. You can choose which marketplace you want to track, and within a few minutes, your data starts syncing. You don't have to upload CSVs or export reports. Once it's set up, it updates automatically every day. That means you're always working with the latest numbers. Understanding the main dashboard. Now, when you open up the Profits Dashboard, you're greeted with a snapshot of your entire business. At a glance, you can see how much money you've made, how much profit you're keeping, how your ad spend is performing, how many units you're selling, how much you're losing to refunds. It breaks this down day by day so you can see how things are trending. Maybe you had a big sales spike one day. Cool, but did your profit spike too? Or did a huge ad spend wipe it all out? Being able to see this kind of data together helps you spot patterns that would be hard to catch otherwise. Looking deeper, product by product analysis. Now here's where things get really interesting. The Profits Dashboard lets you drill down into your individual products. So instead of just seeing your overall profit, you can see exactly how each item is performing. Let's say you've got 5 products. On the surface, one of them might be your top seller. But when you look at the profit, it's actually the least profitable because of refunds and ad costs. Or maybe a product you barely pay attention to is quietly bringing in a ton of profit without much ad spend. That's valuable info, and it helps you decide where to focus your time and budget. With just a few clicks, you can sort your products by net profit, margin, ROI, ACOS, and refund rate. It's like getting a full health checkup for every SKU you sell. Important KPIs to watch. All right, now let's talk about some of the few most important metrics inside the Profits Dashboard and why they matter. Net profit. This is the bottom line. After all your costs, how much do you actually keep? If this number is lower than you expected, it's time to dig in and figure out why. Profit margin. This tells you how much of each dollar you keep after all expenses. It's great for comparing products and making pricing decisions. Return on investment is a good way to see which products give you the best bang for your buck. If something costs you $10 and brings in $30, that's a solid ROI. If another item costs you $20 and only brings in $22, that's not so great. Tacos. Total advertising cost of sale. Looks at your ad spend across both organic and paid sales. If the number number is creeping up, your ads might be costing more than they're worth. Refund rate. This one's easy to overlook, but super important. If people keep returning a product, it doesn't matter how many you sell. You're losing money. High refunds could mean there's a quality issue, or maybe the listing isn't clear enough. Tracking trends over time. The profits tool doesn't just show you one moment in time. It lets you look at how things change over days, weeks, and months. Now you might notice that a product is selling really well in bursts, or that profit is slowly dropping over time. These trends can help you decide when to reorder, when to run a promo, and when to shift your ad budget. You can view this data daily, which is great for spotting short-term changes, weekly for a smoother picture, or monthly to see long-term trends. Setting up alerts. Another feature that's easy to overlook but is super useful is the alert system. Let's say you want to know if a product's refund rate suddenly spikes, or if your profit margin drops below 20%. You can set up alerts for that. Helium 10 will notify you right away, so you don't have to check the dashboard every hour. It's a good way to catch issues before they turn into bigger problems. Real life examples. Let's walk through a couple of real life examples that show how useful this dashboard can be. One seller noticed they were spending a ton on ads for a product that was getting great reviews and strong sales, but the profits dashboard showed that the product was barely breaking even. Now, why was that? The return rate was through the roof. Once they paused the ads and rewrote the listing to set clearer expectations, the returns dropped and profit went up. Another seller had 3 main products. They assumed their top seller was their most profitable, but after using profits, they saw that a smaller, less flashy product was actually their best performer in terms of ROI and margin. That helped them reallocate ad spend and scale more efficiently. The bigger picture. Now here's the thing. Tools like this aren't just about having more data. They're about making better decisions. When you have this kind of visibility into your numbers, you stop guessing. You know exactly where your money is going and what's actually making you money. You can cut dead weight, double down on winners, and build a business that actually grows. And it doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need to be a numbers person. You just need to pay attention to a few key stats. The profits dashboard makes that easy. So if you're selling on Amazon and you're not tracking your key numbers, then you're leaving money on the table. And you're also probably stressing out more than you need to. The Helium 10 profits dashboard is one of the simplest ways to get clarity on what's happening in your business. It doesn't do the work for you, but it shows you where to focus your time, energy, and money. It's like having a scoreboard. You know if you're winning, losing, or breaking even. Now that's it for this one. If you've used profits before, let me know your favorite feature down in the comments. And if you want to get started with Helium 10, like I said, you'll find a link for it down in the description below, and you can choose from one of the 2 coupon codes we mentioned earlier. Now these are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.